If you're running pay-per-call travel Google Ads campaign, then these mistakes can lead to account suspension.
The imposter syndrome.
Which means that you are trying to mimic or pretend a third-party airline or hotel brand by using their keywords on your landing pages or on ad copies. For example, using Delta Airlines on your ad copy will put your account on risk of suspension. Second, lack of patience. Which means that if your account is new, has no data, but still you're trying to build on third-party airline brands without even warming up with generic keywords. Doing so will put your account in great risk. The lazy landing page mistake, which means you're not actually creating your own high-quality landing pages, but actually ripping off the competitor's landing page or using the pre-made templates. Well, the travel pay-per-call niche is so crowded that most of the templates available online are already used or abused. So if you're still using the ripped off landing pages of your competitors or pre-made templates, then obviously your account will be in the verge of suspension. To avoid that, we recommend that you create a freshly code your landing page, or you can use AdShot Media's landing page service, which costs only $80 per landing page for a travel pay-per-call website. It strictly follows all the Google Ads policies so that your account doesn't get suspended for the landing page mistake. The bait and switch pricing. Well, Google is obsessed with user experience. Let's say your ad shows flight to Dubai for $150, but your landing page shows a different pricing. So Google will flag this for misrepresentation policy. So it is advised that you mention the exact price on your ads, whatever is mentioned on your landing page. The bridge page trap. A lot of travel agencies try to run ads on pages which offer zero original content, no user value, or having no booking engine of their own. Instead, they try to integrate the form of travel payouts, Expedia, or any third-party booking portal. For example, you are running an ad and redirecting your user to a page which shows click here or book now, and it redirects them to a third-party page which can be of Expedia or travel payouts, and Google just hates it, and it's called the bridge page trap. So if your site doesn't offer unique value, native search feature, or its own booking portal or capabilities, then Google will suspend your account. So it is advised that you either use your own booking form or booking API, or just don't use it. But never ever try to redirect your user to a third-party website like travel payouts or Expedia by using their form on your website. Or instead, what you can do is just white label them at least, so that your user stays on your own domain URL or your own website and doesn't get redirected to a third-party website like Expedia or travel payouts.
Navigating Google Ads policies in the travel space is stressful, but it doesn't have to be. We have spent over a decade mastering Google Ads, so you don't have to guess what works. Instead of stressing over account bans, let's grab a virtual coffee. Click in the link in the description to book a quick strategy call with my team at AdShot Media. We will audit your campaign, set up your compliant landing pages, and get your phone ringing. Subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next one.